This is by far the easiest way to make 10K a month. And no, it's not Amazon FBA, YouTube automation, or trading. You don't need any special skills. You just need to do exactly what I show you. So listen up. Step number 1, go to Digistore and find a high-ticket digital products you would like to promote on your Instagram account. Step number 2, find 10 profiles in the same niche as the high-ticket products you found, and then go to Viral Finder and start modeling their content. Step number 3, use Snap Insta to download the viral videos you found. Step number 4, use CapCut to recreate the viral videos. You can also use free AI tools like ChatGPT to rewrite the script and Leonardo AI to make some badass videos for free. Step number 5, paste the promotion link you got from Digistore into your Instagram bio and use this call to action too. It's super annoying. Instagram only allows a 90-second reel. So if you want the rest of the tutorial, comment how down below and I'll send you the video. Let's get it.